16 and 17. Let's work on 16 first. 3 plus 5x minus 2x squared equal to 0. This times this give us minus 6x squared. There are two factors of minus 6x squared that can add up to 5. Let's get 3x and 2x. But this is minus 6x, but we're looking for plus 5. So this and this, when we multiply this by this, we can't have minus 6x. So that means this factor cannot work. We're going to use 6 and minus 1 in this case. So the factor should be 6x and minus 1x. So that will replace this middle term with this factor. I have 3 plus 6x minus x minus 2x squared equal to 0. Let's group it 2 by 2. 3 plus 6x minus x plus 2x squared equal to 0. In the first bracket, 3 is common. 1 plus 2x. In the second, x is common. 1 plus 2x equal to 0. We have a common factor 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x, and 3 minus x equal to 0. Either 1 plus 2x is equal to 0 or 3 minus x equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to, moving this here, that is minus 1, or minus x is equal to minus 3. Dividing both sides by 2. Here we divide both sides by negative 1. So that these two will cancel. X is equal to minus 1 over 2. Or x is equal to minus cancel minus that. Therefore, x is equal to minus half or 3. In question 17, have 2x squared minus 9x minus 35 equal to 0. If we multiply this by this, that will give 70x squared. Two factors of 70x squared that can add up to this. Like I said earlier, when the number is big like this, it's not good to crack our brain. Let's split up the factors of this first term and the factors of this last term. The factors of 2 and 1, and that of 35 is 5 and 7. They will cross multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. So if we're talking about factors in x, then this will be x. And this time this is 14x. Can we add 5x and 14x to get 9x? Sure. That means 5 has to be plus, while 14 has to be minus. Since we are looking for minus 9x and 5. Oh no, this will not work. Yeah, it's working. I forgot to put minus here. This time this is supposed to be minus 70x squared. And this time this will give us minus 70x squared. Then when we add this, we will get this. So now that we know the factors, we'll replace the middle term with this factor, so that we'll have 2x squared plus 5x rather minus 14x minus 35 equal to 0. Let's group it 2 by 2. 5x minus 14x plus 35 equal to 0. In the first bracket, x is common. X into 2x plus 5 minus, in the second bracket, 7 is common. 7 into 2x plus 5, because 14x divided by 7 is 2x. 35 divided by 7 is 5, equal to 0. We have a common factor 2x plus 5. Then we group this and this together. x minus 7 equal to 0 is either 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 5, move here, that is negative 5, or x is equal to negative 7, moves here and becomes positive 7, and divide both sides by 2 here. So x is equal to negative 5 over 2 or 7.